Hello kids! Today we will draw a cute rocket. So let's start. First draw the rocket front part. Draw a pyramid shape, like this. Now draw a horizontal line. Well draw, now draw another line, just like this. Now connect both lines, and it will look very great. Good job! Look, we draw the tip of rocket. Now draw the rocket body. Draw a big curved line, like this. Well done! Now draw the other side also. Now let's draw the rocket fin. Draw a curved line, and make it like a shark fin. Connect the line, and it's done. Good job! Now draw the other fin also. Do the same thing. Draw the curved line, then draw a small curved line, and it's done. Look how great it's looking. Make the lower part also. Draw some curved line and connect it like this. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Well done! Now draw the rocket engine. First draw two lines in an angle, like this. Now connect both the line with a curved line. Lastly, draw another curved line in the middle, like this. Good job! Look how cute it's looking. Now let's draw a door in the rocket. First draw a line, then make a half circle, like this. Now draw another line, and connect it. Well done! We draw the door to enter in the rocket. Now let's draw a window in the rocket. First draw a circle, like this. Now draw another circle outside it. Draw the circle, and make like a ring. Lastly, draw some dot in the box. Draw some black dot, and make it more cute. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Look, we draw 5 dots. And it's looking very beautiful. So let's color it. First color the rocket body. Use sky blue color and color the outline. Color like me, and it will look very great. Color very carefully, and don't make any mistake. Color up and down, like this. Now color the other side also. Color up and down, then color the door and window sides. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Look how great it's looking. Now use yellow color and color the square part. Color carefully and don't color the dots. Good job! It's looking very cute. Now use yellow color and color the circle part. Color only outside, like this. Lastly, use yellow color and color the door. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. you color the outline first, then you will not make any mistake. And it will look very great. Now use blue color and color the rocket fin. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Well done, now color the other side also. Color the right fin, just like this. Color the outline, then fill the color. It's looking very beautiful. Now use gray color and color the window. Color the inside on circle and it will look very great. Now use gray color and color the rocket engine. First color the upper part, then color the lower part. Color carefully and don't color the outside. Lastly, use red color and color the rocket tip. Color the triangle part. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Well done, it's looking very great. Now use white color and draw some line. First draw some line on red part, like this. Now draw some line on the window also. Draw some curved line and it's done. Draw some line on the door also. Draw curved line, then draw a long line. Lastly, draw some line on rocket fin. Draw some curved line, but leave some gap. Now draw line on the other fin also, and it's done. Well done, we complete the drawing. Look how great it's looking. You know what? Rocket fly and goes to outer spaces, where you can see moon and star. Click here to subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel and watch more nursery rhyme.